Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cold coffee quickly. First, you will need your favorite ground coffee, cold water, and a container with a lid. This easy method bypasses the long steeping time of traditional cold brew, getting you a refreshing drink in minutes. We'll cover the exact steps to ensure a smooth, strong coffee concentrate perfect for mixing. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic iced coffee without the wait. To begin, measure out your coffee grounds in cold water. A good ratio is 1 part coffee to 2 parts water for a strong concentrate. For example, use 1/2 cup of grounds with 1 cup of water. Mix them thoroughly in a jar or pitcher, making sure no dry spots remain. Let this mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This short steeping time is key to our quick method. After steeping, it's time to strain your coffee concentrate. Use a fine mesh sieve or a coffee filter to separate the liquid from the grounds. Gently press the grounds to get every last drop of that rich coffee goodness. Now you have a potent cold coffee concentrate. Simply pour it over ice, add water or your preferred milk, and sweeten to taste. It's that easy to enjoy a refreshing drink. For best results, store any leftover concentrate in an airtight container in your refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 1 week, ready for your next cold coffee craving. Feel free to experiment with various coffee roasts and grind sizes to find your perfect flavor profile. You can also try adding a dash of vanilla or cinnamon for an extra treat. And hey, if you're looking for great ways to organize your kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other deals. Enjoy your quick, delicious cold coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.